Unraveling Idioms, Break a Leg, Explained. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of English idioms. In today's video, we're going to decipher a very popular, yet puzzling phrase, break a leg. Stay tuned as we unfold the history, meaning, and usage of this unique expression. Despite its literal meaning, break a leg is not a wish for someone to literally break their leg. Instead, it's a theatrical idiom used to wish a performer good luck in an ironic way. It's often used in the performing arts, where directly wishing someone good luck is considered bad luck. The exact origin of break a leg is unclear, but there are several theories. Theatrical superstition. In the world of theater, it's believed that wishing someone good luck would actually bring bad luck. So, an ironic or opposite expression like break a leg is used instead. Historical references. Some believe it refers to bowing, where actors bend their legs, or to the breaking of the leg line, which is the side curtains on a stage. World War II. Another theory suggests it originated during World War II, where the phrase meant to perform well enough to be invited into the officers' mess, where one would break bread and drink. Using break a leg is quite simple. In performances, it's most appropriate before a performance, like a play, a musical, or even a presentation. As encouragement, it can be a way to encourage someone and wish them success. Remember, it's a playful, ironic phrase, so use it in a light-hearted context. In English, there are other idioms with similar ironic or opposite meanings. Knock on wood, wishing for continued good luck. Cross your fingers, to hope for good luck. We hope this exploration of break a leg has been enlightening and fun. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about culture, history, and the unique ways we express ourselves. Keep practicing, and next time you wish someone luck, try saying, break a leg. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.